This is the alternator out of a 2006 Nissan Xterra 4.0 V6. So when you're looking at this while it's in the car, it's going to be down in that spot right underneath the power steering pulley. So of course you have to take this air pipe off for the air intake, take the belt off, and then when you're looking at it, what you're going to have to do is take the wheel off, take the wheel well plastic liner, which is that, take that off the inside, which is just a few screws that are holding it in and just kind of around that inside. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to squeeze it out through this spot right here. You can move this hose over, and you're going to take the alternator out through this spot and put it in through this spot. And when you're over here looking at it, there's going to be a top bolt that goes across the top, which is this one here, and one that goes for the bottom. So when you're looking at the side, it's going to be in there like this. So what's going to actually is there's a piece that kind of comes down like this. That short bolt goes through here, and that long bolt goes through here, up through the block. So it's basically just this and this. So you can either, I guess, take that one out or that one, but it was easier to take this. That way, once you get this one out and that one out, this bracket wasn't in the way, it just kind of came with it, and then it was easier to unbolt it off of the old one and then to put it back on. Just put it on there kind of loose. So once you get it in there, you can get this bolt in there and then tighten both of these up.